vote for yourself, vote for the Jharkhand, and it is the festival of our democracy, so it's our moral responsibility to vote. This is the message to all the people from our Ed Pro classes. Thank you, Jai Hind. Hello everyone, what's up guys?
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. All you are fine?
Yes, of course.
Tell us about you.
I am also fine. I am excited for tomorrow's voting. Are you all
Yes.
not?
I'm also very excited.
Yes.
I am not that much of like
We are also
excited.
excited because we have planned for movies.
We are going to the theaters to watch Bhool Bhulaiya 3.
But it's a very
Important.
not so much important. Voting
Not
is
so
more
much
It
on
is important
your
because
movie
after
choice
lots
is
of
also
days,
very bad.
we got holiday. So it is
Or
important
also
to us.
voting is not that thing like which is the
No,
basically
you-
important for the
Are you
us.
18 plus? Na?
Yes,
So
I'm
you
18
have
plus.
a right to vote, and it's your moral responsibility to vote.
Exactly.
But currently all
What
the
childish behavior you are doing that you are going tomorrow and watching Bhool Bhulaiya 3, such a full film.
Because after watching Bhool Bhulaiya, we will feel fun. After voting, what we will get? We will get nothing.
No,
So-
how you said that you will get nothing?
Voting is a useless thing that is ever I have heard.
Why
You
is it?
cannot say that
Yes.
voting is a useless thing, because if you're not going to take the initial, how the government is going to take initial for you?
Yes.
From the last time,
He's
lots
saying right.
of people are taking initial for giving vote. They are getting nothing. Then after we will give that initial,
Yeah,
then we will get also nothing.
Won't you don't think that if every citizen of India is going to think the same as you are thinking, so our
That how will democracy will run?
I know,
That is
exactly.
the basic pillar of the
Are you
democracy.
thinking that there is a democracy in India?
Yes, definitely.
definitely.
If you
It is
have
on-
a free right to speak, right to express your right to propagate your religion, right to express yourself, then what democracy you are wanting?
currently all the all the parties are basically corrupted and they
Which
did not
which party?
like all the parties
All
are
the leaders are-
linked to
My friend,
corruption
let me
from
clear you that no one is perfect. Everyone has their advantage and disadvantage. But we have to focus on more advantaged people so that they can contribute more in our society.
the parties are basically visited the areas before just election, and after election they forget the people, they forget that what are the promises they have made before the elections, what are the things they should do for the people. They only like want to win and earn money from the different
Yes,
things.
yes, I agree with you, but not all parties are same. All parties have different agenda and different mindset to work. As you see in different states, there are a lot of different governments, and their state like UP, Maharashtra, Gujarat, they are growing day by day. And it's same where our Jharkhand is so much backward. It's our also responsibility to move
But
forward.
the elections are regularly done in Jharkhand. After that, Jharkhand is in backward. So there is no any point to give any vote.
because the many of the people of the Jharkhand is not voting.
Yeah.
Because of such kind of thing that as you are have, as
Yes.
you have.
Because the many of the people of Jharkhand are got exhorted by the leaders. This time they don't even want to vote.
But in the fear of not having such getting good leader, if you're denying to vote, so it's not a good thing. You first have to vote and you have to choose the right. Right people,
You
right
have
candidate.
you had voted last time. That's where you are criticizing the current government. If you not going to vote this time, then you have no right to criticize
Criticize.
upcoming government.
Yes.
In last MP elections, there was a seat. I am not aware of name of that seat, where there were two candidates. First
Yeah.
candidate is from a party, and second candidate was Nota. He got more vote.
Yes, I remember it is a
But-
seat of in Madhya Pradesh in Indore, I think.
But even Nota is in second on that time. Then the Supreme Court of India or Election Commission should take an initiative for that, because very good amount of public are not going to vote. And they have given vote 2 lakh, more than 2 lakh voters have given vote to
Yes,
Nota.
yes,
There
I-
is some consequences.
Yes,
they
I
need to think
agree
about
that we do not have too much proper candidate and too much variety of candidate, but it also our responsibility to have a clear mindset that what we want for our state.
Whenever it comes to a idol or any representative,
Yeah.
it is the first thing which is needed. If you want to change the environment, first of all, we need to change ourselves.
Yes, he's
Exactly.
right. I think, friend, you should vote tomorrow. It's your responsibility.
If you are going to give a vote, your one vote can change the whole scenario. Your vote every vote
Counts. It is a very valuable right you have,
Giving
and I
vote-
think you should use your right, not
Exactly.
wasting time in watching movies.
We are
and
not
having
saying
fun.
we are not saying that you go and vote for BJP or something.
Yeah.
It's your perspective.
It's your personal.
At least give a vote. Give
Yeah.
for yourself.
Okay, after listening you, we are thinking that we need to give the vote.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
after that
definitely.
we will go.
You have
Yes.
you have to write.
Yes.
Vote
Please
for
vote.
yourself.
Thank you for your best point and thank you for convincing us. And
Yes,
after
yes.
that, after onward, in every election we will go for vote first, and
Yes.
after that we.
I
then
think
we-
after discussing you all the things, we can understand the like moral of the vote, and all the people should aware
Yes.
regarding many of things like us, that voting can't change their life or is not related to somebody and the people. But after listening your like talks and discuss, I came to a point that we should vote, and also
Yes.
we should aware many more people to vote, because
vote, yes.
it is our responsibility to like give vote, and after like it is our festival, one of the
Yes,
biggest festival in
biggest
India.
Festival of
it is election.
democracy, a
Yes.
democratic India. Yes.
So vote for yourself.
पहले मतदान फिर जलपान.
Yeah.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you all.
Thank you,
Thank you,
everyone.
everyone.
And also vote for the right government which is suitable for you. This is the message from EdPro classes.
Alright, चलिए
Yes. Vote for yourself, vote for the Jharkhand, and it is the festival of our democracy, so it's our moral responsibility to vote. This is the message to all the people from our EdPro classes. Thank you. Jai Hind.